Hello, my dear students. You are welcome to World School of Mathematics. Sudipsir Math here, discussing about the application trigonometry, popularly known as height and distance sum. Height and distance sum. To find certain height of a tree or building using the base value and base angle, etc., we can measure the height of a tree, bridge, or width of a river, etc. So this is popularly known as height and distance sum, that is application trigonometry. To get this thing, we have to remember certain thing. Suppose someone is watching from this and this. Now this called angle of elevation and this called angle of depression. So if this is theta, watching from here, watching from A to B, that is theta is angle of elevation. And watching from A to C, that is downwards, that is say alpha. So alpha is the angle of depression. This is angle of depression. Downwards angle of depression, upward angle of elevation, we have to remember. And this angle same will be here, that is alternate angle we can use. Another thing, for drawing, if 45 degree, then take these two are equal. For 45 degree, draw for 45 degree, these two equal. For 30 degree, this will be longer. Base will be longer. For 30 degree, base will be longer. For 60 degree, base will be shorter than height. 60 degree. So in one diagram, this is 30 degree, this is 45 degree, this is 60 degree. This is 60 degree, this is 45 degree, and this is 30 degree in case of drawing the diagrams. Okay. Now, suppose you does not know how to climb a tree. This is tree, and this is the foot of the tree. From this foot of the tree, suppose after moving the distance 60 meter, got an angle 30 degree. This is 30 degree. You know the angle and base. Now you can easily find the height of the tree without climbing that tree. You does not know how to climb the tree. So use this. Now take, this is h. You know this is theta. So opposite to this is perpendicular, and along with this is base. Perpendicular and this is base. So perpendicular by base equal to tan 30 degree. That is h by 60 equal to 1 by root 3. This is the value from standard angle table. Now h equal to 60 by root 3. Therefore, h equal to, rationalize this, 60 into root 3 by root 3 into root 3, rationalize. Now, this will be 60 root 3 by 3, that is 20 root 3 meter. Height of the tree will be 60 root 3 meter, and it is, say, 20 into root 3, value of root 3 is in decimal form 1.732. Put this value and that will be 34.64 to 634. Okay. So about 32, near about 34.64 meter. Height of the tree will be this. So for this type sum, you have to remember two things. Root 3 equal to 1.732, that is decimal value. By using square root, you can easily find root 3 equal to 1.732 and root 2 equal to 1.414. You can use to get the nearest value. Okay, so you can easily find height of the tree. I am giving another example. On the level ground, the angle of elevation of a tower is 30 degree. On moving 20 meter towards the tower, the angle become 60 degree. Find the height of the tower. This type of problem. Find the height of the tower. Now, say this is tower and initially 30 degree and after moving 20 meter 60 degree. AB is tower, right angle here. AB is tower, first position C, on moving 20 meter, the angle become, this was 30 degree and angle become 60 degree. So you have to find the height of the tower. Let the height of the tower be, let the height of the tower be x meter, and say second position is D, BD equal to y. Say BD equal to y. BD equal to y, that is BC equal to y plus 20. Now, in triangle, this triangle, in triangle ABD, AB by BD. AB by BD means about this 60 degree. AB is perpendicular. AB is perpendicular and this is base. So this is perpendicular by base. So it will be tan 60 degree. Now AB is x by y equal to tan 60 is root 3. That is value from the standard angle. Therefore, x equal to y root 3. X equal to y root 3. Condition 1. Again in triangle ABC. Again in triangle ABC. AB by BC. AB by BC equal to tan 30 degree. So AB is x by y plus 20 equal to 1 by root 3. That is x root 3 equal to y plus 20. Now value of x is y root 3. Value of x is y root 3 into root 3 equal to y plus 20. That is 3y equal to y plus 20. From this you can get 2y equal to 20. That is y equal to 10. Y equal to 10. But we have to find x. So x is y root 3. Therefore x is y root 3. That is 10 root 3. Now put the value of root 3. 10 into 1.732. So approximately height of the tower is 17.32 meter. Okay. So approximately this value will be 17.32 meter. Okay. So similarly we can find different height of bridge, tree, width of the river, etc. by using application trigonometry. Okay. Go to our website www.walnook.com and practice more. Okay. Thank you.